If you're a product manager, I'm sure you've used project management tools that make your life a bit easier. We know the famous ones like Notion, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. But to do even more with managing your teams and projects, adding AI into the mix can really improve efficiency and streamline workflows so much more. And trust me, I know this, I've managed different product teams as well. It really is useful. Unlike traditional project management platforms, AI-powered project management tools provide an enhanced experience, offering a lot of automation with a lot of administrative tasks. So it helps with task assignment, collaboration, status reporting, and you can feed you predictive analytics as well to understand how your sprints are going so you can kind of plan better and smarter. So in this video, I'll share exactly 5 AI tools for project management. Now, I am not sponsored by any of these tools. I just simply want to help more people stay prepared for the future by sharing them out. And if you'd like to share this video to help more people in this journey, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So the first tool on this list is Clickup. It already is a quite popular project management tool, but I wanted to add it on this list just because I do think that their AI features are quite stacked, and the tool itself does help boost productivity in a variety of roles. So Clickup AI offers a suite of functionality that helps with generating AI content, summaries, editing, tailored to specific different needs and roles. So whether you're a marketer or product manager, Clickup really works for you. If you want to use this AI writer within the Clickup docs itself, you can do that. You can even use the Clickup AI to kind of write out descriptions of a task, everything like that. There's so much time you can save with using Clickup and its AI features. And another reason why I feel like Clickup is really great, because I've used this myself for many years, is it's stacked with different features all around, not just AI, but just as a tool in general. But when speaking about AI, their AI writing assistant is one of the most clearest, best features that they've had. It enhances content creation and also just description writing, and just anything that requires writing you can do from within the app. It also helps to summarize tasks for a quick understanding of what you're doing, and you can also spark creative ideas for the different projects. It has a lot of automation settings that you can do with the tasks so that you don't need to manually be changing things, and it can kind of just respond based off of different if-then statements that you create. Then the next on the list is BeforeSunsetAI. It's a productivity tool that's really great for planning out your day. It's powered by AI, and you can automatically create daily schedules, and then you kind of fit that with your personal and work tasks. The application offers integration with apps like Google Calendar and Slack, so you don't need to jump into each different platform. You can just kind of do it all from Before Sunset. And it's a real good standout tool for managing your personal life as well as your work life. Their AI daily planner helps to craft daily schedules based on different tasks and commitments, and then you can provide visibility on different team tasks and availability. It also shows the time zones of your different team members, so it's kind of gives a big transparent view of what to do and how to communicate with them. And one of the key things that I mentioned here before is that they have a really good way of switching between the personal and work task between their interface. So it's really great for using as an overall tool. Then the Stepsize AI. This AI tool is great for project managers, especially for software development teams. It focuses on providing automated updates and reporting based on different issues of cards. And its key features include AI-generated sprint reports, their daily stand-up summaries, team sync updates, Kanban board reports, and all of those in between. And then the next on the list is Forecast. It's an AI-powered platform that really helps run and track projects, but it's really mainly marketed as a place for resource and financial management. As you can see from the name, the platform is mainly aimed at forecasting things, so forecasting risk warnings, tracking costs and profits, and then forecasting that, and then giving you a real-time visibility over your resources and how you can optimize them. So it's a really great tool for agencies and consulting firms. They have AI-powered automation, which helps to enhance the project planning set part, and then they also do provide risk management suggestions and recommendations, giving you the ability to understand your projects, the issues that may have, what you could do to prevent that. And they also have a financial management feature which helps to track project budgets and overall financial performance. And then the final tool on this list is Ayanza. It's an AI tool designed to improve collaboration between teams. It's a pretty simple tool. It serves as a way to kind of brainstorm for generating ideas. You can kind of see it as an assistant that can help get any real answers solved, especially when it comes to knowledge bases and understanding like shared information between teams. They're supported on different devices and operating systems, and you can kind of carry it around everywhere. And they have an AI brainstorming feature that really, once I mentioned earlier, assists in generating different ideas. Then they also have, much like Clickup, an AI writer that aids in content creation, writing tasks. So yeah, there you have it. Those are 5 simple AI tools for project management. I hope they were helpful for you, whether you're an existing project manager or just want a tool that organizes your daily life. These are all really great. Now, if you found any of these resources helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps us out. And make sure to leave a comment down below if you want more tools to be featured or you want me to dive deeper into a specific tool mentioned in this video. Now, if you want to step a little bit further, check out the next video on how AI tools for boosting productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more content on tips and tricks that help you navigate this new digital ocean of AI.